You might already have our SDS tools, but you may not know about our RepairSolutionsPRO app. This application integrates with the SDS tool line and connects via Bluetooth to generate thorough reports and summaries of your work. RepairSolutionsPRO is now available on the App Store and Google Play. Download and install the app. You must register an account first, before using the app. Your account helps manage and synchronize all reports submitted from your SDS tablet. Launch the application, sign up, and enter the necessary information including your email address, password, first and last name, zip code, and address. Select the checkbox to agree, and proceed to create your account. A confirmation code will be sent to the email address you provided. Verify your email address by entering the confirmation code. This completes the registration process and activates your account. Now, you can access the app and discover all the features that RepairSolutionsPRO offers.